probably take me for so long.
We can start again. Right, it's almost done. And there we go.
Yeah, I can see it. Right. There we go. It's starting today.
Right, it's a Stirling engine. It's a smaller example of a heat engine. You'll just see that in there. Sort of through there.
Yeah. That's one of the where the exhibition because them writings them in
Oh yeah, this one is working. But this, apparently it works better in dim light. It's got its own level. Yeah. Otherwise it's too much glare. Yeah, so at the moment it's
just
really
now
all the
picking its
colours
move.
on each face.
Now just picking its move.
I think it's very
Misspent youth. It was like a misspent youth there.
What's that? Yeah.
Misspent youth just doing Rubik's cubes. Because that hasn't even started yet and you've just working away.
Apparently if you do link this up to a computer it does it about 4 times faster.
It's just literally kicking that cube.
Now it's figuring out how to solve it. Now it's not everything. Are they?
There you go.
So it says 51 moves till it's completed. Yeah. So it knows exactly what it's going to tell the rest of it to do now. It won't look again. It's just going to assume it doesn't mess up. If it does mess up. But it's been quite good today.
Is there a score tally on it? Who's won the most?
Nah. Only this is the second person to fight any apart from me.
I'm thinking. How many moves are you going to make?
Yeah, we've got a few minutes.
You could start again.
You could start again.
You could start again and still beat it.
Start again.
It's a sign of a misspent youth.
No.
It's getting worse.
Yeah, that's definitely. It does get worse, or it gets better.
It's just got worse than I used.
It's winning. Come buddy.
Don't encourage him.
Alright.